What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today we're down in pan room 2 and we have a hot mess on our hands. We're breaking down these boxes finally. We got something that we needed that we were waiting on to finish this project up. And so it's time to get busy today. We got a lot of stuff to do. So join me, it's Wednesday and it's time to break down this pan room 2. So right now we are on our way to go pick up the racks from Sam's Club. They're finally in, so we can work on pan room. Excuse the mess back here. We have a printer back here and my dining chairs back there. We're going to head over to Sam's Club and pick those up, and we'll be back, and we got to take them around to pan room 2. Eric's bringing around the racks. What? Are you stuck now? Oh no. You're gonna have to hang it up, boo. You're gonna hit the tree. I'm scared to see what I'm walking into down here. Oh my word! Oh, that's boxes. And paper. We are gonna pass this off to somebody who's going to be moving. So, we gotta clean up this mess. This is one pile. I can't even get to my microphone, so the sound's a little off, but this is the first thing we got to get through. So here we are in pan room 2. There's not a lot of light down here because I can't turn the light on because the boxes are covered. Look at this pile I'm working on. We have, I don't know what's in there. These are random boxes that we had used before, and we're using them now. There's a Chef IQ. There's the Brava oven. Here's some of my Bombay. I love this Bombay stuff. Yeah, look at all of this. And that is a box of toilet paper, but there's no toilet paper in it. It's other stuff. I just stole the box. Oh, look at the floor. Can I just sit here and act like I'm doing something? Oh, look at, there's a Bosch Compact in there. Where are you, Boo? I'm fine. Are you under there? I'm fine. Come over and take a picture. Where are you? Down by the staircase. I see your feet. Are you on this side? I saw your feet. Do you need 911? Oh, Lord. Whoa! Whoa! I see lights! Boo is hiking in a snowbank! Where are you?
Oh, here, Mom.
There you are, Boo. So here we are. Where are you, Boo?
Over here.
Someday we'll be able to get these new shelving units. We finally got them in from Seville Classics. We picked them up at Sam's Club. They were out for quite a while. We got them in here. So if we can get these boxes out of here, and we're going to be passing these along to someone else who's moving, and maybe we can get these shelves set up and get this pan room back together again. Hi, Boo.
I'm shocked, Boo. Did you ever think when we were moving, this is how it would end up?
So we've been down here like 4 hours and it doesn't even seem like we've made any progress, but I did unpack maybe 25 boxes, and Eric is dealing with a big pile of boxes over there on the wall, so you actually can see the wall now. So I think once we get all these boxes out of here, it won't be so bad. I think we have maybe 75% of Pan Room 2 unboxed. We have to deal with these racks. So this is what I got. So if you see in there, these are 5 more racks. All these are boxes. So as soon as all the stuff's out of here, it's not going to be too bad. So we are making progress, I guess. I did pull out some books. I found another box of books. So I have Mario Batali's Howdy Italy. That's the book that goes to my cooking chef. I have America's Test Kitchen Cooking School book and Bread Illustrated. I have a couple books from when I took some cooking classes at a local community college. I have the Advanced Bread and Pastry. Well, this box I bought used. This one was from my baking class. I bought that one used too. Professional Pastry Chef, and I have an air fryer book here and an Instant Pot book. So these are going on the shelf. So we are making a little bit of progress here. I broke down all these boxes. We got tons of boxes. There's Eric. Eric's over there smashing paper. All of these are boxes. So let me show you what I managed to unpack. So I did make some progress over here. I filled up these 2 shelves. They're not completely filled, but they're getting there. I have Mr. Claus right here out of the box. And I have this. This is a Seville Classic shelving unit. Eric used it in the garage before. And he only put it together like half height because it was near the garage door. So it actually is going to work out pretty perfectly because there's a window right there and it's going under that window. So I got a big hole in there, but yeah, I still have quite a bit to go. So you see me now, I'm sitting because I'm exhausted. I am so tired, and we did a lot. I mean, we have a huge pile of boxes. We got to get rid of the boxes. We have a lot of packing paper that we're going to be giving it to somebody who's going to move, so it'll be reused again. Look at Pan Room 2 down here. It's starting to come together, but I have one more blitz, as I say, to go. And I do have some boxes in the closet under the stairs. We stuffed those boxes in there when we moved in, so I got to do those. But it's coming along. The next thing we're going to be working on is the unfinished area. We have to get that cleaned out so we can put the grow tents up there so we can start some seeds like pretty immediately. And we're going to have a plumber come out. That's the first thing to talk about some options about the studio kitchen. So the kitchen is going in where the cookbook library is right now. That big long shelf, we're going to move it over on this side, and we're going to move the shelves that are over here on the wall over there. And the one long shelves by the stairway, that's probably going to stay there. Yeah, it won't be that big a deal. So that area will be cleaned out so we can start our plans for the studio kitchen. We're going to have the plumber come out and give us some options about running the power, the water, and the drains for the dishwasher and for the sink. And we're going to get things going. Look at this. I got a beautiful bowl right here. This was from, I still have the tag on it. It's from Fortessa. I got this at the last Black Friday sale, so it was just before we moved. And I have this right here. Oh, I love this. This is Mikasa Botanical Bouquet Porcelain. I love this pattern. Look at this. It's beautiful. Look at all the beautiful flowers on that. We're going to have fun down here. I'm going to show you some of the stuff. We're going to go through a lot of stuff in here because right over here, you can't see that. I have an area where you could put a pool table in there because there's lighting to go down, but I have a foosball table, so that's going in there. It'll give me some stuff to have some fun while I'm down here shooting, filming, and when the studio kitchen comes in. So what's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Thank you for joining me on this little Pan Room 2 update. This down here is turning into my own little Williams-Sonoma. It's going to be so much fun when we get the studio kitchen in here. Everything's going to be down here. We can do some fun dishes, and we got all the equipment we need to make that happen. So thank you for joining me. Happy Wednesday, and I hope you have a great one.